Alright, this is just a quick little update. See, yesterday I got the bucket ears drilled for the pins. I still have one more hole to drill on that one. And I have to cut out a couple chunks of metal for the linkage. It's roughly how it's going to be placed. I haven't played around with it much yet. Found more steel for there's going to be bars coming from here on both sides to the front here. So, and then the motor will be mounted on that, and the tank will be mounted below it, so it's not too top heavy. And then just a roughing with the chair. That's not the chair I'll be using. It'll be placed in the center on those bars, and I'm going to be using the passenger seat off my dune buggy. We have to get it tuned up. I would do it, but I hate working on the thing. The motor's crammed in there and it's a pain in the ass to work on, so just take it into a motorsports shop, a local one, get it done for $100 or $200. So I ordered the joysticks for the backhoe today. I'm getting them from Bailey Net, I think it's called. $150 each on sale, so that'll be coming in the next couple weeks. It says it probably come in week, 2 weeks, but it could change into 4 weeks, month, who knows. But I tacked the bushing in. You can see in there I tacked it. I'll weld it up in the next couple days all the way and get the hole for the grease nipple drilled and stuff. So alright, just a quick little update. Bye.